Hi guys, and it's back open. 4JAKS at its new location, guys. So I'll just kind of give you an idea where it is. It's kind of down here on the strip next to rock stars. Some bucket deals there. Get a pint of Amstel or Heineken for €2.
Where is it? Look? One more little street up.
What, so past that one? Go. So you can sit out in the sun or in the shade. So this is how it works. Each purchase of a drink drops its price. Keep on ordering the lower it gets. So your cocktails are €7 at the moment. Works on like a stock exchange, but it's a drinks exchange. Amstel at the moment is $1.10. Wow. So you can get a pint of Amstel for $1.10. Can't go wrong at that, guys. Have you tried it? Did you get a bargain?